What's the easiest way to trim the beak? The easiest way by far is to give them lots of toys, activities, and hard nuts and shell to chew so that the beak would trim itself. However, that's not always the case. We can get a bit lazy and not chew on things sufficiently for the beak to wear down. So in that case, using a nail trimmer stone like the one from Parrot Wizard, let's trim your beak. Rachel's a 12-year-old macaw. If she can learn to do voluntary beak trims, any parrot can. So check out the Parrot Nail Trimmer Stone and the videos teaching you how to do the training from parrotwizard.com.